sort your URL and more thinking. Let's go. You type here red engine press.com and you'll find this website. And you will go for, if you want to register for more thinking, like you have a dashboard for more thinking, you will set up here to get started. If you are not want, you check your URL, like YouTube URL, like this video. You will go to website here and you check your URL you want to shorten. You click to shorten. You have this shortings. You will check copy. You will go for another page and paste. Sorry. You paste URL and you click, and here we go. You check your link. If you want to register and you want to have dashboard, you get started here. Your name, like Alex. I have account before. Now I check my URL, my email. And you check your password, and then you confirm your password, and you agree here, and you register. And here you have your dashboard. You have your link, how much click for today, and here you can sort your link and have many things. You will check out this yourself. Thank you for watching my video.